Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to recover deleted Telegram chats. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to recover your deleted Telegram chats, all you gotta do is simply go to your Telegram. Now, talking about this feature, recovering deleted Telegram chat is generally not possible through official means. Once deleted from both sides, you cannot get or recover your Telegram chat, but immediate action can help you restore them. The most effective method are clicking undo within 5 seconds of deletion, checking for a copy on another device, or asking the chat partner, or using Android cache files. So if you're gonna do this, then you can recover your deleted Telegram chats. But if it's long gone, then you cannot recover it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.